Activity time. Write a function vertPrint, vert for vertical, that takes the string as the argument and then uses a while loop to print each character on its own line. Okay, and then here's the example output. So, like always, I've got my script and interpreter ready to go. So, all right, def vert print. And it's going to take an argument s for string for simplicity. Perhaps not the best name, but I'm being lazy. So here's what we'll do. We'll have count. We know we're going to have a while loop, so we're going to want to count starting at 0. And then while count is less than the length of s. What are we going to do? Well, print s at location count. And of course, like always, we should increment our counter. Plus equals 1. All right. And that might be it. So let's run our script 7.3 and call now vertPrint, and we'll give it the string James is the best. Okay. Looks good, it worked. So we did this with a while loop, but there's actually another kind of loop, a for loop. So I'm going to get rid of all of this. Let's, you know what? Actually, I'm just going to comment it out. I'm going to use the comments that we recently learned about, and I'm just going to solve this problem a different way because there are a lot of ways to solve a problem. So the next thing we're going to learn about is something called a for loop, which basically means for each thing in some collection of things, do something. So in our case, we have a string, and a string is a collection of characters. So what we want to do is for each character in our collection of characters, the string, we're going to do something with that character. So for C in S. What this means is for each character C, I'm calling it C. I could call it character if I want. So for each character in S, but for simplicity, I'm just going to call it C. So for C in S, what are we going to do? We're going to print C. And that's it. That's it. That's it. Suddenly our script turns into 2 lines, excluding the definition. So let's reload our script and let's run it again. It worked. Good. So for each character, we printed out the character and then that was it. Then we went to the next character, print out the character, go to the next character, print out the character, and so on until we're done. So awesome, it worked. Good stuff.